All right, traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the trading show this morning. Hopefully everyone is doing good. This is the Pip Grabber Trading Show. My name is Gary Fickard, known to many as the FxBigDog. And in this show, we chase after 20 pip profits, and we've been doing this for a very long time and been very profitable. So stick around, traders, and take a look and see exactly what we do. Remember, we are not CTAs. We're not telling everyone how to trade or where to trade, but we are telling you what we're doing. So if you choose to follow, always do that with good equity management. So with that being said, traders, we're going to go ahead and get the show on the road, and we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what the market is offering us this morning as we look for trade opportunities. I'll see you right after this. All right, traders, well, welcome to the show. And yes, it is the Pip Grabber Trading Show where we chase after 20 pips in the market. It is going to be a very interesting day today as we go ahead and address the markets. We had a good move out of the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD's been moving bearish. We had a bit of a correction move over the Asian European session, and now we're expecting possible some downside move to continue. But we'll go ahead and take a look, see how the technical set up. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you may want to go ahead and do so. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, but also while you're down there, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button. I'm going to remind you again towards the mid part of the session as well to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it's so important for us to get this video out to as many people as possible and beat the Google algorithm. The only way to do that, smash the like button, and then also go ahead and put in comments in the comment box as well. Make sure you go ahead and comment on this video. Traders, this show is all about, like I said, taking 20 pips out of the market, but we use technical analysis with our setups, and we also use a cost averaging trading approach. Using cost averaging, you have to have good equity management at all times. Don't get aggressive. It's going to bite you in the ass, and I can say this because this is my show. It's going to bite you in the butt. So do not go ahead and trade aggressively when using cost averaging trading approaches, right? So let's go ahead and take a look, see what's going on in the market this morning. And we've got a bunch of traders in the house. Good morning, everyone. Orlando's in the house right here. Good morning. We have, let's see here. We've got Cheryl in the house. Good morning, Cheryl. We've got Austin. Good morning, Austin. We have Denise. Always good to see the lady in the house. Good morning, Denise. And we have David. David, good morning. And we have someone here with a very good name, Gary. Good morning, Gary. Says, killing it, big dog. Fantastic. Well, good stuff, traders. We're going to go ahead and jump into some trade opportunities this morning. And as we jump into this trade opportunities, I want to remind those that are following us for the first time that we do broadcast on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We do broadcast live. So make sure you go ahead and join our session on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and on a Thursday. Now, I'm going to also remind everyone that this is what's taking place right now. We're doing a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday session. It may not be like this for too long. We're starting a member section, all right? And our member section is going to be a paid version of what we're doing here. Yes, you're probably saying, oh, Big Dog's asking for money again. Hey, the only way we can support this channel, the only way we can do the things that we do is by, of course, having costs involved, all right? And so we're going to do this as long as we can, but there's going to be possibly a change. So while we are doing this for free and you're loving this, go ahead and continue to subscribe to the channel, watch the shows every morning, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, I'm not saying we're going to take away all the free sessions, but it's certainly going to be limited to the free sessions to paid version. So make sure you go ahead and I'm being straight up front with you guys. I'm not going to go ahead and surprise you with anything, but I'm just telling you right now, there are costs involved to get these shows on the road. And we do appreciate your support, but there are going to be some changes coming down the line. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of things right here. Also, another reminder for those that are following us on our trade replica, we produced 153% last year alone. 153% last year alone. This year we're doing very good. I think we're over or close to 35% this year alone. It's been what 2.5 months so far. and we're doing really, really well. So make sure you guys check out our trade replica as well. Only way to do that is check out the description down below. There's a lot of details in the description down below. A trade replica. There is information about our website. Go to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. But also, remember, traders, down in the description is a Telegram channel. Yes. And that Telegram channel is going to give you access to our trades that we place here in the show. So all the trades that we place in the show does go to our Telegram channel. Check it out down below in the description, and you'll be able to track exactly what we're doing and how we're trading. All right. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market. And here we have the New Zealand CAD. Oh, sorry, no, there's Aussie CAD. My bad. Aussie CAD daily time frame. I did notice if I go down to a 1 hour time frame, I did notice we had a downward swing. Price came down all the way down here. We hit the 1.618 down here, and price come back to retest it right here. So let's take a look at the oscillator. Take a look at the oscillator down here. On the 1 hour time frame, oscillator is an overbought. So I'm going to go ahead and expect some further downside move. If price does want to move back up again, let's take a look right here. If price moves back up, how much further can it move? About 42 pips. So we'll probably pick up some more trades if it does go up a little higher. I don't suspect it going up to the backside of that wave 1 right here. But if it does, that's going to be 83 pips. So I'm going to go ahead and take on a sell. Let me just take a look at the 4 hour here real quick. All right, if anything, let's see how much the market can move back down here. If it does move back down, 20 pips. Yeah, we should be able to easily get 20 pips. Retest that 33 pips right here. Yeah, that should be an easy sell right here. Let me go to this is the daily. Got a 15 right here. 15 is range bound at the moment right now. So a 1 hour time frame right here is showing that we could be stalling here. We had a little bit of an indecision candle already spiked up here. Let's take a look at the news out today. Here's the news. If we take a look over here, we did have the monetary policy meeting minutes that took place. Is taking place this evening at no, my bad. Sorry, it's Tuesday. I keep forgetting. We did have the monetary policy meeting taking place last night at 8:30. And that's really what pushed the market a little bit. We had a little bit of a downside move, and then about 10 o'clock we had an upside move in the Aussie CAD. So that did create some sort of volatility in the market. And then we've got Wednesday, jobs coming out on Wednesday right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sell. And I'm going to sell at 92.50. I'm going to try to get 92.50. Let's see if I can open up my... Oh, hang on. I haven't even opened up my live account here. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. All right, and I'm using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool to go ahead and place my trades. If you're interested in that, check out our description down below and take a look at the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. So I'm going to go ahead and sell Aussie CAD right here. And there it is there. Looks like I got 92.48. Once again, you can go ahead and check out our Telegram channel. And in the Telegram channel right here, you should see the order being placed right down here. There it is. Aussie CAD, we went and sold at 92.48. There we go. So 92.48, we're in on the trade. Check out the description down below. You'll see the Telegram channel right here. We're selling at 92.48, and it looks like, hopefully it's just this that bombed out on me. Looks like behind me too. I'll go ahead and fix my screen in the back here. Everything seems to be popping to this morning. Are you kidding me? Now it's denying my access here. All right, well, it is what it is. All right, you're going to have a blank screen in the back here. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what do we have right here. And let me just do something right here. Just give me 1 second, traders, while I just change up a few things. I don't like the background being what it is. For some reason I've been denied access here. All right, just give me 1 second here while I sort this thing out here. All right, there we go. I should have access now. Perfect. All right. All right, sorry, traders. I do apologize for that. A little bit of delay there, but I had to get that sorted out. I had to get that working. All right, perfect. Let's get back to the markets. All right, so here we go. So we've gone ahead and sold the Aussie CAD. Let's go to the New Zealand CAD right here. Let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD. Denise says that thanks for the Telegram channel, very helpful. You're welcome, Denise. You're welcome. So here we have the New Zealand CAD right here. I'm also seeing indecision here at the top. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We have a little bit of room for the market to go further up north, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the 15. And let's see here on the 15. If I draw the fibs going up, I'm going to I might have to put a pin in the let's see here. In the New Zealand CAD right here. That's the 15-minute time frame. All right, I'm not at resistance here. I'm seeing an overbought condition on the oscillator right here, so there's a good chance the price could move down south a little bit. But I don't know, man. Let me put a pin in the New Zealand here. What time is it now? It is 9:40. Yeah, I'm going to put a pin in that one right here. Just give me a second. Let me go back. Let me go to something else. On the US dollar CAD right here, we are seeing a nice little bearish move on the US dollar CAD. And you know I don't like to get in on a moving bus, and so the bus has already left the station right here. We're seeing price already moving down south. I do want to sell, or at least I did want to sell on this one right here. Let me go ahead and just clean up house, do some housekeeping here. Let's go to 4-hour once again. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of this one right here. Let's go back to that New Zealand. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD. I should actually hedge my Aussie CAD, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD right here. So I'm gonna sell New Zealand CAD. Look for a 20 pip dip on this. And I'm gonna see if we can go down, take out the lows right here. Now I only see 15 right here, but I'm sure we should be able to get 20 before we get down to that resistance there, and that's at 26 pips. So I'm going to sell. Like I said, I should have perhaps maybe hedged it and bought New Zealand CAD, but I'm going to go ahead and sell that. This is what I was. Do we have a news report coming out at the moment right now? Let's take a look at the news. Any news out here? There's news back in Russia right here. Forces have taken control of all territories in, okay, blah, blah, blah. Flow, okay, that took place 6 hours ago. Something right here. No, nothing. All right, we'll see how this plays out right here. So I've gone short on the New Zealand CAD, short on the Aussie CAD. Like I said, I should have played a little bit of a hedge here, but I did not. That's okay. I'm going to ride that wave. US dollar CAD, I'm going to stand aside on US dollar CAD right now. And then Euro US dollar right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's do some housekeeping here. Let's go to 4 hour chart. Take a look at a 4 hour right here. Got a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Market's got a resistance 5. We should be looking for Euro US dollar to rally. So if I look over here, go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. So what I'm looking for right here is support to buy off this. I don't see it at the moment right now. I see the market holding up over here. We've got this wave, this big swing going over here. But this would be a good place right here to go ahead and look to buy. So there would be a good place to go ahead and buy. Where it's at right now, we could see a dip first before the rally. And the dip might not be long enough to get in on 2 entries. So, man. I'm going to put a pin in on that. I'm going to not do anything on the euro. Let's take a look at the CAD. This is a CAD Swiss. We range bound the CAD Swiss, coming off support, looking for the market to go ahead and move north on the CAD Swiss. We'll do some housekeeping on this as well. Market did come back to retest this right here. We've seen a lot of it in this like bearish divergence here. Let me go to a daily. Indecision here on the daily. We did come back to retest that breakout right here. We had a breakout of that trend line. Market came back to retest that backside of the trend line right here. But we've seen the oscillator in an overbought condition right here. So conflicting signals. We do see a target up here that we're chasing after, which is up here at about 74.20. So price is looking to go to 74.20. I just don't like this. Do not like this right here. And the 1 hour showing a little bit. So although we bounced off support right here, We actually, we actually at a 1 hour resistance here. Now this is a bullish flag. This price moves up and moves down, bullish flag. So we will be expecting a breakout to be to the north side of this. But in the meantime, if I look over here, we're range bound. And there could be a dip right here. Let's see here, weaker CAD. That'll push Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD north. If I sell this right here, I might be hedging my Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD trade. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and place a hedge here. I'm going to hedge those two positions, and I'm going to go ahead and sell Canadian Swiss. So CAD Swiss right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a sell in this, and let's see if this can act as a hedge position against the New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD. So either both my Aussie CAD and New Zealand CAD will go ahead and pay off, or my CAD Swiss will have to go ahead and rally up first and then go ahead and enter a new trade. So I might be entering new trades on the New Zealand and Aussie CAD, or I might be entering on the Swiss CAD on new positions. We'll take a look and see how it plays out right now. Both New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD are rallying against me right now. I'm selling on those that are rallying against me, which means that the market might be looking for a deeper correction move, or this might just be a fake rally. If it's a fake rally, we'll see the market drop back down south, which means that the Canadian Swiss might end up going north. And if it goes up north, then that means then I'm going to possibly go into two trades on the CAD Swiss. Either way, traders, that's where we're at right now. I'm not going to place any other trades on any other pairs. Those are the three I'm going to go ahead and trade right now. I don't like the US dollar, Euro US dollar trade, and I do not like the trade on the US dollar CAD and the Euro US dollar. So those are the two I do not like that I'm going to go ahead and stand aside on. We're going to go ahead and trade those three trades right there. Once again, traders, go check out the description down below. You'll see our Telegram channel. And in the Telegram channel, you will see the details of the trades. And we also want to go ahead and announce that we do have a sponsor for our YouTube channel now as well. And we'll be going ahead and putting out some information on that very soon. In fact, we'll have details down below on our sponsors down below that you can go ahead and check out the website. Our sponsor for this session is going to be ACAP Brokers. So ACAP Brokers, appreciate your sponsorship. Thank you very much. We're going to go ahead and end off the show, and we're going to go ahead and share something on ACAP Brokers. So traders, with that being said, I'll see you back again tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you.